A monitoring and maintenance strategy is critical to improve asset availability, reduce operating costs, and increase safety. With a growing industry focus on digitalization and analytics, companies have accumulated vast amounts of data from the thousands of sensors in production facilities. However, these data projects have been slow to translate into significant operational improvements. Many companies still use practices that are outdated, error-prone, and inefficient. New machine learning approaches enable operations teams to use data to their advantage. By leveraging advanced analytics, users can expand the range of problematic behaviors they can detect while extracting valuable insights. These approaches can predict what will happen and pinpoint why it will happen, recommend plans of action, analyze ramifications of each possible choice, and even help set a chosen plan into motion. SparkCognition has developed the award-winning SparkPredict, a solution that delivers leading, machine learning-based predictive analytics to help evolve your maintenance processes. SparkPredict has already empowered upstream companies to keep operations running safely and productively by uncovering actionable insights that maximize production and reduce costs. Discover how SparkCognition can help reimagine your maintenance operations today.